How to add a clickable link to your WhatsApp status on your Android. Let me show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the app or website that contains the link you want to share. Next, tap the Share button, then select Copy Link to copy the full URL. Now, open WhatsApp and tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap Add Status, then choose the pencil icon to create a text status. Take your time here. Press and hold anywhere in the text box, then tap Paste. Your copied link will appear in the status. Once everything looks good, tap the Send button to post your status. And that's it. Your WhatsApp status now includes a clickable link that your contacts can easily open. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.